Hey everyone, today we're making blueberry waffle slime. I'm excited to show you how it comes together and to mash it up in the end. Stay tuned! We're starting off with clear slime I already made. Check the video link in the description for how to make clear slime. We're adding royal blue gel food coloring for a lovely blueberry color, and then fine dark glitter to give it some sparkle. To make our slime smell like blueberry, I brewed strong true blueberry tea and added it to my slime. It melted the slime slightly, so I went in off camera and added a little more activator so it's not too sticky. To make our blueberry waffle, we'll use soft white clay. I'll leave the link to where I got this clay in the description. To one piece of the clay, we'll add a small amount of brown gel food coloring to give it a waffle color, and to the other piece, we'll add a lot of royal blue for a blueberry color. Now we'll take our clay and swirl it together, but not so much that the colors begin to mix. To shape our waffle, we'll press our clay into a silicone waffle mold and be sure to press it down into all the gaps. Remove the clay in one quick motion. It's okay if it's not perfect. To assemble our slime, we'll put our blue slime into a container and add our waffle to the top. Some of our leftover blue slime makes for perfect blueberry syrup drizzle over our waffle. Stretch the blue slime out across the waffle and pinch it off at the edges of the container. Lay it in a zigzag pattern. Put any remaining blue slime evenly around the waffle inside of the container. For blueberries, we'll be using these dark blue glass beads. I love how our blueberry waffle slime turned out, and I can't wait to mix it all together. After mixing, I love the light blue color and how the dark blue glitter still shows through. Subscribe for more slime how-tos and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new slime video.